Hey YouTube family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to be discussing business formation and how Zen Business can make all of our lives just a little bit easier. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Whether you're just starting out, looking to grow, or trying to get all of your business affairs in a row, Zen Business offers services that make it simple and affordable to run a business like a pro. One of the biggest things that they can help you with is LLC formation. And trust me, it's more important than most people realize. So grab a notebook and a pen because we're breaking down everything that you need to know about how Zen Business can help take your cleaning business to the next level. So what is Zen Business? It's a company that helps small business owners start, run, and grow their businesses. As cleaning business owners, we're busy managing day-to-day operations, dealing with clients, and building our brands. Zen Business takes the stress out of the back-end work. Think legal paperwork, taxes, compliance, and even financial management so that you can focus on growing your cleaning business. Let's break it down step by step. Let's start with LLC formation because this is a topic that I get asked about all the time. Why is forming an LLC so important for cleaning business owners? An LLC, short for limited liability company, separates your personal assets from your business assets. This means that if something unexpected happens in your business, like a lawsuit or a major financial issue, your personal savings, car, or even your home are protected. Now let me paint a quick picture. Imagine you're cleaning a client's home and something gets damaged, like a very expensive piece of furniture. If you don't have an LLC, the client could sue you personally, which puts everything that you own at risk. But if you do have an LLC set up, your personal assets are protected. It also makes you look more professional. Just think about it. If a client sees Spotless Cleaning Services LLC versus Spotless Cleaning Services, which one do you think that they'll trust more? The LLC shows you're serious about your business and it adds an extra layer of credibility. And here's the best part. Zen Business makes setting up an LLC simple. They file all of the necessary paperwork with the state and they ensure that it is done correctly. This saves you time and hassle so that you can focus on building your client base instead of dealing with confusing legal documents. Once your LLC is formed, staying compliant is critical. This is one of those areas that can sneak up on you if you're not careful. Zen Business helps ensure that your cleaning business stays compliant with the law. They track important deadlines like filing annual reports, renewing business licenses, and submitting required state documents. Trust me, nothing is worse than getting hit with fines because you missed a deadline. With Zen Business, you'll get reminders and support so that you can stay on top of your game. Hey cleaning family, if you guys are interested in one-on-one mentorship with myself, Miss Carolyn Arellano, the Cleaning Business Mentor, please be sure to check out my full website, www.cleaningbusinessmentor.com. Next, let's talk about finances. Running a cleaning business means managing a lot of transactions, client payments, supply purchases, payroll for your employees or subcontractors, and so on. Zen Business makes this easier with their business bank account. What's great is that there's no minimum balance or opening deposit required. That's huge, especially if you're just starting out and every dollar counts. Plus, they offer bookkeeping and tax prep services. Imagine how much time and stress that you'll save having professionals handle your financials. Zen Business also offers an online dashboard where you can manage everything in one place. This includes your business's documents, reminders, compliant tasks, and more. As a cleaning business owner, this is a lifesaver. It's like having a virtual assistant keeping you organized. No more digging through piles of papers or losing track of important deadlines. Zen Business also offers registered agent services. If you're not familiar what that means, let me break it down. A registered agent is someone who receives official government and legal documents on behalf of your business. This is especially helpful if you're out in the field cleaning or managing your team all day. You don't have to worry about missing an important notice or correspondence. Zen Business ensures you're always in the loop, which is crucial for staying compliant and running a smooth operation. And here's something that I love. Zen Business isn't just about making money. They're a public benefit corporation, which means they're committed to social causes while running a for-profit business. So how does all of this help your cleaning business? Zen Business takes care of all of the heavy lifting, legal paperwork, financial management, and compliance, so you can focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. If you're scaling up, they're perfect for helping you stay organized as you hire employees or subcontractors. If you're just starting out, they'll make sure you launch on the right foot. If you're ready to take your cleaning business to the next level, I've included a link to Zen Business in the description of the video below. Click it to learn more and get started today. Also, if you guys found this video educational and informational, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Also, be sure to check out my members only YouTube channel where I have a number of members only videos and also where I go live with my community twice a week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.